I'm Robert Noll, number 211, daily blues lesson of 365 shorts. Form 4, Trinity chords. So for each form, you have chords that reside within each form, okay? We're working with form 4 today. So form 4 in the key of A brings me up to the 9th position, and my fourth finger is pretty much dictating the major scale. So I need to see all the chords I can with my root A. I have an A here and an A here, and that would be the same with the minor, the blues, with any of my scales, even my blues scale. But what chords do I have that reside within this area? Well, I have A7, okay? A9 kind of starts to transitory into form 5. But here we have the notes of the 9th chord with 5, 7th chord with 5, 13 chord. Here's a great chord. You would have your A major 7. If you look at this like an A chord here, D chord form. So you need to see these forms, and you need to see, like, even with minor, you have your root, you see the triads. You see triads here, and I see a triad down here on the bottom, okay? And then I add another note, right? And I'm getting all these nice minor chord variations. And I could do the same thing with my major, and then my major, and these nice big major chords. So you need to start examining. So you see that these chords belong to form 4, so that you can put your scales and your arpeggios all together around these chords, okay? It's really important, not just major, minor chords, and then you can get into even like your diminished chords. How do they lay? Maybe some altered chords. Where your root is, your augmented. You want to look at augmented chords. You want to be able to see as many chords. What are the possibilities that you can design through your form 4 scales? And then from the chords, we'll go to arpeggios. But you really need to see the chords first, see the scales within the chords, what scale belongs to what chord, or taking a scale and what chords belong to that scale. And there we're doing the Trinity for form 4.